In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check website traffic on Google Analytics. Let's get started by opening your Google Analytics account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side and click Reports. This takes you into the main reporting area where you can quickly understand how your site is performing. Next, click Report Snapshot. Think of this as your dashboard overview. Here you'll see key traffic metrics at a glance, like how many users visited, how many sessions took place, which pages are popular, and where your visitors are coming from. You may also spot insights about engagement, device types, and top countries. Take a moment to scan these cards. They're designed to surface what's most important without any setup. If a card looks interesting, you can usually click it to open a more detailed report. Now, if you want to see what's happening on your site right this moment, click Real-Time Overview. This view shows active users in the last few minutes, the pages they're on, and their locations. It's especially handy during a campaign or a product launch to confirm visitors are arriving as expected. Watch the map, the active user count, and the list of top current pages to spot immediate patterns. If you're ready to dig deeper into exactly how visitors are finding your site, you'll want to check your traffic acquisition reports. To make sure those reports are available in your left menu, click Library at the bottom of the navigation. Under the Lifecycle collection, click the three-dot menu and choose Publish. Publishing adds the standard lifecycle reports to your sidebar so they're easy to reach going forward. Once that's published, head back to the left menu, open Lifecycle, and click Acquisition. Then select Traffic Acquisition. This report gives you a detailed breakdown of where your traffic originates, such as organic search, paid search, direct, referral, and social. Review metrics like sessions and users to understand volume, and keep an eye on engagement and conversions to evaluate quality. If you notice one channel driving lots of visits with low engagement, that's a signal to refine your messaging or targeting. If another channel has fewer visits but strong engagement, consider investing more there. Finally, remember you can change the date range. Use the date picker in the top corner to switch between ranges like today, last 7 days, last 30 days, or a custom period. Adjusting the time frame helps you separate daily fluctuations from meaningful trends. That's it. You've checked your website traffic in Google Analytics, explored live activity, and reviewed traffic acquisition with a time frame that fits your analysis.